Sinupalpal ni Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro ang isang opisyal ng China matapos tanungin tungkol sa tensyon sa West Philippine Sea. Yan at iba pang balita sa Frontline Report na ito.
Giniba ni Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro ang tila propaganda ng isang Chinese military official sa Shangri-La Dialogue sa Singapore. Pakinggan natin yan.
The United States is selling more arms to this region and setting up more military bases in the Philippines. So, if the proxy war in Europe needs to be ended, are you concerned that a proxy war in Asia might be launched? Thank you.
Thank you for the propaganda spills disguised as questions. Unfortunately, in my personal opinion, the fact that the question was asked in the way it does, it engenders a deficit of trust. China has a lot of trust building to do.
Ginit din ni Teodoro na ang magkaibang ginagawa ng China sa sinasabi nila ay ang pinakamalaking hadlang para makamit ang kapayapaan sa rehiyon.
China says that it has peaceful intentions. Why does it continue to deny the Philippines its rightful provenance under international law and UNCLOS? None have agreed with China, and none has condemned the Philippines for standing up against China.
Ito pang isang gigil, si outgoing Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte, bad trip kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
He's a liar. He lies so much. Puro kasinungalingan yung tao na yan. He is weak. Mayabang pa.
Pati ang bagong upong PNP chief na si General Nicolas Torre III, binanata ni Baste.
It's nothing. He's only handpicked there by the administration because he's an attack dog. Bigay nyo na yan sa kanyang PNP niya.
Bago yan, sabi ni Torre sa mga basher niya,
This is a free country. Kaya nga, yung mga bashers natin, natural yan.
si Torre ang nanguna sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At ngayon, pinaghahandaan na raw nila sakaling maglabas na rin ng arrest warrant ang International Criminal Court laban kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Hindi na yan idinitalye pa ng hepe. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Mon Gualvez, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Julius Babaw po. Iba na ang may alam at may pakialam sa panahon ngayon. Para sa Frontline ng mga balita, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.